I'm criminal defense attorney Neil Shouse with Shouse California Law Group. California Penal Code 30600 PC makes it a crime to manufacture, sell, give away, or even transport an assault weapon or a .50 caliber BMG rifle without a valid license. And a license in this case would only be given to a defense contractor or someone who has a manufacturing contract in order to produce or deliver these types of weapons to military or law enforcement agencies. Under California law, the definition of an assault weapon is incredibly broad. The Penal Code explicitly lists over 70 different types of firearms that are automatically classified as assault weapons, including all AK series rifles, Uzi submachine guns, and most standard configuration AR-15 style rifles, such as the Colt AR-15 series. A .50 caliber BMG rifle, while not specifically considered an assault rifle under California law, is also illegal under 30600 PC. It is defined as a centerfire rifle designed to fire a specific highly powerful .50 caliber BMG cartridge. If you are convicted of violating this statute, it is a felony offense. Penalties can include up to 8 years in state prison. Furthermore, providing one of these weapons to a minor under 18 years of age will add an additional 1 year to your sentence. It is important to note that on June 4, 2021, a federal judge overturned California's ban on assault weapons, citing the Second Amendment. However, while the state appeals this ruling, assault weapons remain strictly illegal to manufacture, distribute, or transport in California. If you or a loved one is facing criminal charges in California, especially if they are felony gun charges, then you need a skilled and experienced gun rights defense attorney on your side. Call us immediately for a free consultation at 855-999-7755. We will fight to get your charges reduced or dismissed.